What's up guys, Matt Steffanina here. Welcome back to Dance Tutorials Live. It feels like it's been a long time since I said that, but guys, I'm finally back teaching regular classes in LA for the first time in over 2 years since before COVID. So that means I'm gonna be back giving you guys tutorials as often as possible. And of course, if you want to dance with us more and you haven't already joined DNCR Academy at dncr.com, go check it out. We have the best community of dancers all over the world doing challenges every week, supporting each other. We have contests, such an amazing space and something I'm so proud to be a part of. So if you want to take your dancing to the next level, whether it's just as a hobby or if it's more seriously, go check out dncr.com. Also, like I said, I'm going to be posting as much as I can here for you guys. So subscribe, hit the bell, make sure you switch it to all because YouTube has changed a little bit since we were last out here making tutorials regularly. You want to make sure you get all those notifications. But today I'm going to be teaching you my routine to Do It To It by my boy ACRAZE. This song has been blowing up. I'm sure you've heard it on TikTok, on Instagram. And I just wanted to do something that was like a full out routine. It's kind of like R&B mixed with house music, one of my favorite styles. So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna get it down. And then at the end, we wanna see your covers because we're gonna be watching your videos and reposting some of our favorites. So make sure you learn it all the way through, stick around to the end, and I can't wait to see your videos. Let's get started. All right guys, so the first thing you're gonna do in this dance is jump out on your right foot. You're gonna throw your weight forward to the corner and then back. So both times I'm hopping on my right foot. Don't switch your feet, don't do this. You're just going forward, your elbows come back, and then throw as you hop back. That's gonna be on bounce with it. Then you're gonna go drop with it. So I'm just sliding down to my knees. And with all of these, I'm gonna kind of give you the groove as well, because if you just do the hands, you look really creepy, right? So we wanna lean with it like this. Then he's gonna say lean with it. You're gonna go lean with it. And so my hands, basically this left one's coming up, the right one follows all the way around, and then you're gonna go rock with it up 2 times. So let's just get that much. 6, 7, 8, bounce with it, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it. Then from here, cross your right in front of your left, snap with it, say hold up, all my ladies, and right, left. So let's get that last part slow. So when you go here, you wanna cross your feet, you're just snapping out to the side, and then I'm gonna unwind. When I get to here, shoom, I'm gonna say hold up, my weight's back in my right foot, then what I'm gonna do is go D, D, D. So my knees are opening, right? I'm gonna do it back to you, this is the front now. I'm going open, and my right arm goes up first. Right and right, then I kind of like bounce off of that. If you do this with a partner, you can like look at them for a second, what's up? Then you just go a right, so I'm doing a little ball change there. Left, right, left, and then this is where the beat comes in. So that's kind of like your, it's not really an intro because we're already dancing full out, but kind of like your intro, right? So here we go from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, bounce with it, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it, all my ladies, and hey, hey, nice. All right, moving on from here, we're gonna pick the energy up a little bit. So you just walked on that left foot, your right foot's free. You're gonna go kick and twist and scoop and up. So it's gonna go kick and twist and scoop and up. One more time slow. Starting with the right foot, it's kick and twist, make sure this one comes up, and scoop together up. So you're thinking 6, 7, 8, bounce with it, drop with it, lean with it. So the step from here on the lean, I'm going lean with it. And if you can get that right foot to do heel toe, it makes it look really good. The left leg just kicks out, then I'm just gonna go rock with it. 2 grooves here, give you a little more and then we'll go back. You're gonna go snap with it, actually out here. Snap with it, shoom, and you're gonna place your hands down. So this first one, you're just rolling your wrists back behind your head, then you go open, chest, down, then you're gonna pull your heels up, you're gonna go 2 times. So you're gonna hear that in the music. That's called a hi-hat. That sound on the drums, the little metal things, makes that sound, you're going. Then last part of this section, we'll go back, I promise you're gonna go pull, roll through, hip, hip, and your arms are freestyle there. So he says, all my ladies, pop your backs with it, right? All my zoom and a ha, ha. So you're kind of free there to add your own style. Good. So let's take it from all my ladies, nice and slow. You did. All my ladies. And hey, kick, you go bounce with it, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. Ladies, pop your backs. Yeah. Hey, all right. So I know you gotta like do it a couple times to kind of get it into your brain, but once you get it, it's gonna feel really good, I promise. So let's go from the top one time all the way up to there slowly so that you can practice that much. And then there's just a little bit more at the end. Here we go from the top. 6, 7, 8. Bounce with it, drop with it, lean and rock with it, snap with hold. All my ladies. And hey, kick, right foot, bounce with it, drop with it, lean and rock and snap with it, ha, ha, push, head, ah, ah, hey, all right. Last part, and I think it's the easiest and the most fun part. So all you're gonna do from here is just jump to the right. You're gonna go jump, across, jump, across. So just a little old school. Think of making this really big. You can kind of freestyle your arms a little bit. You're gonna pull this down to your knee. So you don't, it's not really like you're tracing it. You wanna kind of just like pull and get down to your knee. Then we're gonna push this knee in with our finger. You're gonna go do, 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 do. So I'm going knee, knee, hips, body roll up. I'm gonna go boom and knock that shoulder. And when I hit my right shoulder, I'm gonna bounce off of it slow and I'm gonna go snap with it. So you wanna think like, rock with it, snap with it. So what I'm doing here after I hit is I'm letting this release and my arm's gonna circle 2 times and I'm going behind, behind, yeah? So I'm pivoting on that front heel. If you do my tutorials, you've done this move a bunch, so you already know. D, 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 and last move, you're just gonna go tap, out, pull, all my ladies. Then you're gonna go D, 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 2 times to the right. So heel toe, then you're gonna go right, left, right. And your hands are gonna set there. You're gonna hear in the music, da-da-da, ba-ba-ba, da-da-da, ba-ba-ba. So this part is quick. This is your last move though. Da-da-da, my hands are crossing to come here. Ba, 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 and then, boom, you can hit that however you want that last bass. You could like melt it into a body roll. You could, boom, pull it into here and go into some type of freestyle, whatever you want. But that's it. That's the end of the choreo. Great job. Now, I know I taught it a little quick. That's to push you, that's to challenge you, but we're gonna go back, make sure you got everything. So right now, let's just do the last part from here. Make sure we got that 8, and then we'll put it from the top. So you went, ladies, pop your backs, you go. Bounce with it, drop with it, lean, rock with it, step with it, tap. All my ladies, pop your geek, 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 boom. Hey, okay. Maybe one more time, yeah? Because I know it's a little tricky when you first see it. Remember, you have this, which is really slow, and even this is kind of quick to the down, but then you have, boom, this, which is really slow. So you don't want to get like too comfortable, like, hey, because you got to get down to that knee, rock with it, step with it, tap, and ladies. I'm just coming down. Ladies, pop, yo, geek, 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 dee, 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 boom. All right, so we got our 3 sections. Let's try it slowly from the top first. We go 5, 6, 7 to the corner. Bounce with it, drop with it, lean and rock with it, snap, turn and hold. All my ladies. Hey, here we go. Kick, bounce, and whoom, and lean, and rock, and step, shoot, ha, boom, tss, tss. Ladies, and hey, last part, go A, and whoom, and rock, and snap, and hey, all my ladies, and geek, 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 boom. Nice, okay, so now that you have the steps down a little bit, you might notice how I'm starting to kind of add a little bit of my own style to it. And that's really important with a dance like this, because the dance is not like 1 and 2 and 3 and it's not like strict, clean movement, right? Even the first steps, hey, it's already got, boom, a lot of groove. I'm really moving my body, hey, right? There's freedom in a lot of this. You don't have to do it exactly like me, but you do want to make sure that your timing is the same and that your energy is the same. And that's what we really focus on when we train routines. Timing, energy, the details. Then you can put your own style onto it. So we're gonna try it faster now. I want you to make sure you get that timing, but if you get to here at the end, boom, and you wanna like look around, ooh, and then drop into this, those are the types of decisions that make it fun to watch somebody and then watch somebody else and then watch somebody else and see how they execute it differently, right? So start to think about that. I know it's a lot when you first learn choreography because you're just focused on the moves, but after you get the moves, then add that sauce on it. Here we go. From the top, full speed, 5, 6, 7, and bounce with it, drop with it, hey, and ha, step with ha, all my ladies, and hey, kick, go, ta, ta, hey, and drop with it, zoom, hey, and rock, and snap, geek, geek, choo, ha, ladies, and ha, to the right, boom, hey, ooh, ch, ba, snap, and hey, my ladies, and geek, 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 boom. Woo, it's quick there at the end, but that's why we work on it, right? Try to give you guys a lot of stuff where half the routine, maybe even more, is really fun and not too hard, but then there's a couple of details that are gonna push you, push your timing, push your execution. So if you don't get it right away, like we always talk about at DNCR, it's not the type of thing where you learn it and then you instantly go film it and you never visit it again. Learn it, get it down, maybe film it, see where you can improve upon, and then come back to it tomorrow, maybe the next day, maybe even a couple more times. Really get it down, because that's how you're gonna grow as a dancer, is not by doing it once and being like, next dance, next dance, next dance, right? Take a piece, work on it for a week, then see where you get to, and then that's a really good way to keep improving, not just at picking up choreography, but actually your dance ability, your technique, and how you perform pieces as well. So let's try it one time with the music. I'm gonna take you guys over to class so we can see what it looks like with the music. Of course, we're gonna replace it for copyright so we don't get blocked, and I'll see you back here in a second. All right, so now that you got the combo down, make sure you go practice it. I wanna see your covers, upload them. Make sure you tag me, make sure you tag DNCR Academy so we can check them out. And if you guys haven't been inside the DNCR Academy yet, go to dncr.com, check it out. It's so amazing. The community there, the dancers all over the world, everyone working hard, supporting each other. We have challenges and collabs and all kinds of amazing stuff. So go check out dncr.com. I'll be back here on YouTube as well, helping you guys out as much as I possibly can this year, now that classes are back. So thanks for dancing with me today. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.